Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, your home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. In today's video, we're going to be profiling Atlas Lithium. This came to me in the form of a subscriber request. There's a lot going on at this organization we're going to unpack in today's video. Before we do though, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And let me know in the comment section below if you're currently holding shares of Atlas, your outlook for this company moving forward, and your thoughts on the lithium market overall. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be profiling Atlas Lithium Corporation, trades on the NASDAQ in the United States under the ticker ATLX. Now, as you can see, this is midday Wednesday, September 4th, down just shy of 5% or 48 cents on the session, currently trading hands at $9.40 US. And if we pull up a 1-month chart on Atlas Lithium, you can see a fairly strong run, really starting in the middle of August in the $8.50 range, up to a local high towards the end of August on the 26th, just shy of $12. Now, in terms of market cap, you're looking sub 150 million, with a number of big press releases and news articles coming out in the last few weeks. And that's actually what we're going to be focusing on in today's presentation. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Atlas Lithium, I wanted to quickly jump over to the corporate website. I'll leave this linked in the video description below as well. And under the About Atlas section, you can see focused on moving from exploration to profitability. Atlas Lithium Corporation has one of the largest exploration projects for lithium and other battery minerals in Brazil. Atlas Lithium Corporation is a US-based mineral exploration company with the largest size and breadth of exploration projects for strategic minerals in Brazil, a premier mineral jurisdiction. Now, overall, their properties encompass about 539 square kilometers for lithium, as well as for nickel, rare earths, titanium, and graphite. Atlas Lithium also owns multiple mining concessions for gold, diamond, and industrial sand. And in terms of projects and properties, that's what we're going to look at next up in the video. Now, their primary focus is really advancing the Minas Gerais lithium project in Brazil, where some high potential mineral rights are adjacent or near large lithium deposits that belong to a large publicly traded competitor. We're going to talk about this one in a second. Also worth noting, their investment or holdings in Apollo Resources, sitting at 59% of common shares, and Jupiter Research at approximately 28% ownership. Now, we've talked extensively about why lithium is so critical and important to the development really of multiple different industries here in North America. It's listed as one of the 35 minerals considered critical to economic and national security by the United States government, and first published by the US Department of Interior back on May 18th of 2018. And since then, the US government has really made a push to onshore or find domestic sources and production for these critical minerals in order to ensure they're not as reliant on some of their current trading partners. Now, the Minas Gerais lithium project encompasses 85 mineral rights, totaling approximately 486 square kilometers, which includes 7 main clusters of prospective mineralization. So this is actually a look at the project here, along with notes about the existing infrastructure, including paved highway, water, and access to power. Now, below that, there's some pictures of the site itself, really showcasing some of the previous exploration work that's already taken place. Now, what's specifically exciting about this project is several of the mineral rights are located adjacent or near mineral rights that belong to large publicly traded competitor companies, which have demonstrated through extensive drilling the presence of lithium deposits totaling over 100 million tons. And this is according to publicly available filings. So the idea is proximity, again, which is critically important in exploration and mining, is going to play a key role here. And because there were such promising results in these adjacent sections, it opens up the potential for similar finds in this specific project. Now, they've also got a Northeastern Brazil lithium project, again shown on the map here, similar in terms of infrastructure with existing highway, water, and electricity, with this project encompassing 7 mineral rights spread across 71 square kilometers, with the identification of pegmatites in many of these areas. Several of the mineral rights are located near or adjacent to areas known to have spodumene, a lithium-bearing mineral, so similar to the other project, with Atlas Lithium continuing to explore this area and assess whether they may have any economic deposits. And again, a look at some of the images coming out of this specific location. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, there's been a number of key press releases recently in relation to Atlas Lithium, 3 specifically that I wanted to focus on in today's presentation. So the first is dated June 17th of this year, talking about Atlas Lithium doubling the size of their lithium exploration footprint in Brazil, which goes on to read, Atlas Lithium has now more than doubled its lithium exploration profile in Brazil up to 539 square kilometers, with most of the new claims in the promising Doce River and Macuri valleys, an exciting new lithium jurisdiction in Brazil that has been relatively underexplored for lithium. With James Abson, the chief geology officer, going on to say this region of the Minas Gerais state hosts dozens of documented lithium-rich pegmatites, presenting an opportunity for us. And above, you can actually see Atlas Lithium believes that they are now the largest claim owner or have the largest claim ownership position of any listed companies in this new lithium frontier, providing the company with a highly strategic first mover advantage. Now, following that, they then put out an update on the 22nd of August talking about their module lithium processing plant and preparing that for Brazil, with a follow-up coming 5 days later on August 27th, talking about Atlas Lithium being recognized for its actual plant design. So the Atlas Lithium team has recently visited South Africa to supervise the preparation of the components that are going into this modular lithium DMS plant. And for those of you who are unfamiliar, DMS stands for dense media separation. It's a lithium processing technology that's going to be used in these modular units for Brazil, with 48 containers being prepared to date of the final total of over 100 containers that are expected to be shipped from South Africa to Brazil. So making significant progress on their actual plant deliveries. And then following that, a third article talking about the recognition of that actual plant design, with the spodumene concentrate plant design being selected as a finalist for the November 14th, 2024 contest, citing some of the benefits as reduced weight, height, overall physical footprint, and making it more environmentally friendly in terms of design that allows it to maximize water recycling and use the lowest amount of water of any lithium plant currently in operation. And they then go on to talk about some of the high-profile meetings they've been having with members of government, talking about critical minerals and the importance this company can play in that supply chain. So for those reasons, you guys, I definitely think Atlas Lithium may be worth a closer look if you're looking for exposure to critical minerals, materials, lithium in your portfolio. Definitely some interesting projects, a variety of different targets, and some exposure through those strategic investments we discussed earlier in the video. I'd be super curious to hear your thoughts in the comments section below if you're holding shares of ATLX, Atlas Lithium Corporation, specifically how you feel about the lithium market overall, as we have seen some weakness in recent quarters. If you're still watching the video at this point in time, hopefully you enjoyed the watch. Please feel free to hit the like button. It really does help get this content to other people like you who may find value. If you're not subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, feel free to join. We'd love to have you as part of the community. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.